This question needs some care to decide whether you add or subtract 10 and 5 and so on. So I'm going to start out with Theo because this is the information we have. Theo thinks it's 12 o'clock. Now, let's work out what is actually read. So because he believes it's 5 minutes fast, that means he would have subtracted 5 to get the time that he thinks it is, which means we actually need to add that 5 back on for what he's read. It's a bit easier to understand it once we've written it down. So he reads it's 12:05, and then because he believes it's 5 minutes fast, he thinks the time is 12 o'clock. Okay, sorted, I hope. Then actually, we're told that Theo's watch is 10 minutes slow, so that means the actual time is 10 minutes further on, so 12:15. Okay, and that is the first half of the question done. Because for Leo, it's going to be a very similar setup, but in reverse. The actual time is 12:15 because they look at their watches at the same time, but um, we know that Leo's watch is 5 minutes fast. So Leo is actually going to read 12:20 on his watch, but then he believes that it's 10 minutes slow, so he thinks he needs to add 10 minutes on to get to 12:30. All right, confusing, I think, but work for it carefully, and that is the answer. I think the thing to do is like once you've written down some sort of argument like this, just read through it one last time to check. We've got this information. Um, he so Theo believes it's 5 minutes fast, so he's actually read that it's 12:05 and then he subtracted it, so we have to add the 5 back on. Actually, it's 10 minutes slow, so we have to add that on. These two are then the same. Leo reads it and he his watch is 5 minutes fast, so it's actually going to be 12:20. He thinks it's 10 minutes slow, so we have to add 10 back on. So that's my, I've just gone for it a second time to try and explain it. Hope you're okay with that. Well done.